Redeem Robux code or how to redeem Robux code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Roblox code or how you can redeem your Roblox gift card. Now the process actually is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. First things first, in order to redeem your Robux code or the Roblox gift card, what you can do is you can simply head into your browser, any browser that you want on your device that you feel that you use, and then on the search bar you want to type in roblox.com/redeem. As you can see here on screen, roblox.com/redeem. If you tap on go, you'll be headed to this particular page here where it says redeem Roblox codes. First things first, you want to make sure that you are logged into your account. It'll ask you to log into your account first, so don't get confused. If just log in and you'll get this page here. If you want to check if you're already logged in and you want to check which account that you are logged in on, you can tap on profile icon at the top of your screen there, and you'll be able to see which profile you're logged in on. You can log out to this account and you can log into other account that you wish to redeem on, and then enter in the code there, tap on redeem. So this way you can easily redeem your Robux code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.